Hi, friends! Today I'm going to share some simple dishes for dinner idea. And don't worry, I will put all the ingredients in the description. We're going to make salad today. We need lettuce, carrots, and tomatoes. And we're going to put some corn. First, we're just going to cut the lettuce using our hands, okay? Just like this. Tear the lettuce into bite size. Cut the tomatoes as you wish. You can use the bigger ones if you want. Grate the carrots. The carrots are very crunchy, so I love putting carrots in the salad. And of course, we're going to add corn. And for our next dish, we're going to simmer pumpkin, okay? This pumpkin is very sweet. After cutting the pumpkin, take out the skin at the edge so that it will absorb the umami better, okay? Like this. First, if you have kelp or dried konbu, put them in the water. I'm using about 700 cc of water. And then put 1 stick of dashi and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm using 50 milliliter of Japanese soy sauce and then add 50 milliliter of sake. Whoops, ouch. We're going to use aluminum foil for this, okay? Make a hole in the middle. And then we're going to put them on top of the pumpkin. And for our next dish, we're just simply going to cut all the vegetables into stripes. After cutting all the vegetables, first thing we should do is to boil the konyaku for about 3 minutes. While waiting, let's cut the beef like this. We're going to use about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. We're going to saute the carrots and the beef. Then, we're just going to put all the vegetables all together, okay? And the konyaku too. Stir the vegetables for a few minutes until it becomes a little bit soft. Now we're going to add 50 milliliter of sake. I actually used more, so if you want to add more, please do so. And then 50 milliliter of mirin. Mirin is sweetened sake, okay? And then of course, dashi. This is not a sponsored video. Add 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. And then 50 milliliter of Japanese soy sauce. You can add more if you want. I added about 25 milliliter of sake, mirin, and soy sauce more later, okay? And then we're just going to wait until all the vegetables are cooked. You will see that the liquid will evaporate a little bit, like this. I also made miso soup, so this is our dinner for today. Salad, simmered pumpkin, and Kinpira gobo with beef. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Mata ne!